From there we go to the historical background of Amos. And when here is whereby we know where he came from. He came from a village called what? Tekoa. And in Tekoa, when you're talking about historical background, you have to remember that he was what? A shepherd. When you talk about his background, all the time you should talk about that he was a what? A shepherd. So he had many what? Goats and sheep. And he had also what of a sycamore tree. What did he do? He also grew sycamore tree. That was his work before he was called by God. So he came from a village called Tekoa, and then he grew sycamore trees. And when he was called by God, he was not a prophet. That is all about his religious, social, historical background. So now we go to his call.